All right, we're gonna show you how is. I can't even keep a straight face. Okay, we're gonna show you the easy way to remove a 4.0 on an '04 Jeep Grand Cherokee. And oh my God, what the fuck happened here? Yeah, it's a fucking massacre. But that was the only way. Anyways, are you almost done, Slingblade?
Yeah, just gotta wash it.
Yeah. That's it? That's all you have to say?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll let it slide. Uh, what a horror story here. But anyways, at least the rest of the car looks good. Well, that was the end of that. The motor's out, ready to be delivered.